In the modern business world, where financial management is increasingly complex and often digital, specialized services have emerged to help businesses navigate their accounting needs. Bookkeeper360 is one such prominent player, offering a blend of human expertise and advanced technology to simplify financial operations for small and medium-sized businesses. When considering a service provider, especially one entrusted with crucial financial data, understanding its leadership is paramount. So, for those curious about the driving force behind Bookkeeper360, who is the CEO of Bookkeeper360? The founder and chief executive officer, CEO, of Bookkeeper360 is Nick Pasquarosa. He is the visionary leader who has steered the company from its inception to its current position as a recognized name in the fintech and accounting services space. The genesis of Bookkeeper360 and Nick Pasquarosa's vision. Nick Pasquarosa's journey into the accounting world began at a young age, starting his career as a local bookkeeper at just 16. This early experience quickly highlighted a common pain point for small business owners: the struggle to efficiently manage their finances. He recognized that many entrepreneurs, while passionate about their core business, often lacked the time, expertise, or resources to handle the intricacies of accounting, payroll, and tax compliance effectively. Driven by this insight, and with a background that blended accounting knowledge with an innate understanding of technology, Nick set out to create a solution. He founded Bookkeeper360 in 2012 or 2013, depending on the source, as the early years often involve incubation before official launch, while he was pursuing his master's in taxation at St. John's University. This foundational knowledge in taxation further underscores his comprehensive understanding of the financial landscape small businesses operate within. His initial vision for Bookkeeper360 was to leverage cutting-edge technology to simplify back-office management, providing real-time financial insights that empower business owners to make data-driven decisions. He saw an opportunity to transform traditional bookkeeping into a more proactive, advisory-driven service, rather than just a reactive record-keeping function. Leadership and industry recognition. Under Nick Pasquarosa's leadership, Bookkeeper360 has achieved significant milestones and garnered considerable recognition within the accounting and technology industries. His commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction has been a driving force behind the company's growth. Some of the key achievements and recognitions attributed to Nick Pasquarosa and Bookkeeper360 include growth and reach. Bookkeeper360 has grown to support thousands of businesses nationwide, with a fully remote workforce spanning across numerous states, demonstrating Nick's early adoption and successful implementation of distributed work models. Industry accolades. The company has been recognized by prominent publications and organizations such as NerdWallet, Forbes Incorporated 5000, multiple times, and CPA Practice Advisor. These accolades speak to Bookkeeper360's impact and standing in the industry. Technology advisory roles. Nick Pasquarosa is not just a user of accounting technology. He's an influencer. He has served as a product advisor for industry leaders like Xero Accounting Software, Bill.com, Gusto, and FreshBooks. This involvement highlights his deep understanding of accounting software ecosystems and his role in shaping future solutions. Notably, Bookkeeper360 was recognized as Xero's #1 bookkeeping partner for 2 years under his guidance. Influencer status. He has consistently been recognized on CPA Practice Advisor's 20 Under 40 and 40 Under 40 influencer lists, acknowledging his contributions and thought leadership in the accounting profession. Entrepreneurial and community leadership. Beyond Bookkeeper360, Nick is actively involved in entrepreneurial organizations like the Entrepreneurs Organization, EO, and Young Presidents Organization, YPO. He also demonstrates a strong commitment to philanthropy, serving as a board member and past president of the Northeast region of Canine Companions, a nonprofit that provides assistance dogs to individuals with disabilities. Bookkeeper360's approach under Pasquarosa's direction. The services offered by Bookkeeper360 directly reflect Nick Pasquarosa's vision for modern accounting. The company positions itself as a financial technology solution offering full-service accounting. Beyond basic bookkeeping, this includes cash and accrual basis accounting. Payroll management, ensuring employees are paid accurately and on time, and compliance with payroll tax regulations. Tax solutions, preparation and filing of various tax forms, as well as tax planning. Advisory services, providing strategic financial insights and guidance, often akin to an outsourced CFO service, to help businesses grow and optimize profitability. Proprietary software/dashboard, Bookkeeper360 leverages its own AI-driven software and dashboard to provide clients with real-time financial data and key performance indicators, KPIs, enabling quick, informed decision-making. Integration with leading platforms. While they have their own proprietary tools, Bookkeeper360 heavily integrates with popular accounting software like QuickBooks Online and Xero, as well as other financial tools like Gusto for payroll and Bill.com for bill payments. This demonstrates a practical approach to leveraging the best tools available in the market. For a business owner, understanding that the CEO, Nick Pasquarosa, comes from both an accounting background and a strong appreciation for technology is reassuring. It means the company is built on a foundation of genuine financial expertise combined with a forward-thinking approach to leveraging automation and data. His consistent recognition in industry circles further solidifies his reputation as a trusted authority.